These crystals can stop a perfectly good engine from starting. It's called DEF, or adblue, and it's a tiny tank of liquid your diesel engine sprays into the exhaust. And if this system fails, the car's computer won't let your perfectly good engine start. And it fails very often because it's a complex system. It relies on sensors that get super hot, a delicate injector, and a liquid so corrosive it can crystallize if you look at it wrong. If any of these parts fail, the car's computer steps in and won't let the engine start, all to keep emissions under control, even if everything else is perfectly fine. And to top it off, most cars have the diesel filler right next to the AdBlue tank. Some people accidentally put diesel in the AdBlue tank or AdBlue in the diesel. One wrong move and you completely destroy both systems. So a failure at any point, or one tiny mistake, and you could be stranded in the middle of nowhere with thousands in repair bills. Also, the liquid is pee.